full strut. He's at full strut. Walking away. What if we back go and go around? See him, dude. Right here. Right in front of me. Right there. Right there. Okay, I see him, but not on the camera. He gives me that shot, I'm taking him. Bro. Oh, God. Boom. Boom. 1 out of 3. 1 out of 3 stalks, man. Boom. Did you have them? I'm sorry.
Pretty sure I did. Let's go up there.
It was the same as I saw his fan. Look at his big beard flopping.
I saw a red head and you shot, so.
Dude. Jake, got him. Got him. Yes. Yes. What are you talking about, baby? That's what I'm talking about. 1 out of 3, man. I popped up, I seen his fan. I'm like, Jake, can you see him? No, can you see him? I'm like, he's in range. He's right here, dude. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Got my freaking longbeard, baby. Look at the hooks on that sucker. Holy smokes, bro. Look at the hooks on that. Look at the rope on him. Dude, he's got some hooks, homie. Yeah, yeah. Dude, I was telling Jake the other day, 1 out of 3 stalks, man. And this bird, we popped up on the other side of the hill. We saw him down the bottom. I could see him strutting, and then they started moving away. I'm like, uh-oh. I told Jake, we're both like, they didn't see us. I said, let's just cut around on him. What do you got to lose? 1 out of 3 stalks. Then I'm creeping up here through. I called. He gobbled. I said, man, he ain't far away. He's just right here. And, he's got a nice beard, too.
I'm in the wind tunnel here.
Well, if you can hear him. I mean, we blew the woods out, so we can talk as well as we want, but he's got some hooks on.
He's got a nice rope on.
He's got 1.5 freaking spurs all day. That's a nice bird. That's a nice bird, bro.
Yeah, it is.
He's not real big, but he's an older bird. But so anyways, folks, then, excuse the wing beating, we came around this side and popped up on this hill. I told Jake I'm just gonna call Saw. He answered 1 time, just like, hey, I'm right here. But we knew he had hens with him because we saw him from the other side. all of a sudden I look up and I just see the back of his fan. And this is, I mean, this is how I get my turkeys, folks. I can't kill them out of a blind. I don't know what it is, but when it comes to Rambo and stalking them, you're looking at the man, dude. 'Cause Jake was behind me, and I'm like, Jake, I'm like, he's in range right here. I can see his fan. He's facing away. And then all of a sudden, I'm like, I'm just going to walk real slow to where I can see him better, and hopefully that brother Jake could see him. Jake goes, I can't see him. I said, look right down my gun barrel. Look right down my gun barrel. I said, you see him? And all of a sudden, Jake goes, oh, I see him.
I put the camera basically right on your shoulder.
Did you? I was like, just look down my barrel. He's right here.
I saw a big red head.
I was like, he's at like 35 yards, dude. I mean, and then all of a sudden, I could have killed him, and I'm like, no. I'm like, can you see him? You're like, I can't see him. I could have shot him when he was first turned.
He was turned like away from us, and his fan was out.
First, when I saw him, he was sideways.
Okay.
And I was like, well, I could kill him, but then I was like, I'm gonna wait. See, Jake can see him. I was like, he's not nervous. He's right here. Then I said to Jake, I was like, he's like, I can't see him. So I said, just look right down my barrel, dude. And then I said, see his fan? And Jake goes, oh, now I see him. I'm like, dude, he's in range right here, homie. You're like, yes! 2024, bring it. Longbeard, baby, Wisconsin, yes! Right here, man. Freaking double X number 5s, man. I've killed more stinking birds with this gun. We've had a heck of a week. We've seen a lot of birds. Lots of longbeards, but they just have been really acting weird. And they either would not come to the call, or they'd look at the decoys, go the other way. And I mean, I don't know what it is, but Jake can testify for this. The way we kill our turkeys is like, we just have to stalk them. I don't know why that is for you and me. Like, why does that? I don't understand it. It's just, I'm not kidding you, folks. I mean, all you guys that kill them out of a blind, more power to you, but it just doesn't work that way for me and brother Jake, dude. It just doesn't. But I got my longbeard. I told Jake, we were sitting in the blind, he's gobbling up here. I said, Jake, you know what's going to have to happen. We're going to have to go after him. And you know what? Yes!
Nicely done, man.
Yes! I just took my time. I just put the bead right on his head. I was like, Justin, I'll show you. There's a video that'll probably be the first one up where I screwed up, which I think he was a little far away, missed, whatever. I'll take that one. But Jake knows that one ain't going nowhere. Dude, I hit him, dude. He just dropped. He was done. Do you see the hen pop up right in front of him? He was with 3 hens, I think. But oh, what a beautiful scenery too. Oh, the sun's coming up. I mean, just this nice, beautiful oak woods in here. What a trip, dude. Oh, that's what I'm talking about, dude. Yes. I gotta do the dance.
The turkey dance.
Killing machine.
Oh my god.
Let's take a look at this little boy. Look at the hooks on that bugger, homie. Jeez. That's gotta be 1.5 inches for sure. He's an old bird. What a deal.
Spread that fan out so we can...
Oh, I smoked him bad. Look at that, folks. 2024 Wisconsin. The old spot and stalk creep up on him. There's nothing like getting on birds and all of a sudden you just look up, see the fan. It's like, oh, he's right here. He's right here. And I knew he wasn't going to answer me much because he had hens right with him. But luckily he gobbled one time is all we needed. And we decided, like I said, we backed out, came around, came up the backside of this hill to get to the top of this hill where we figured he was right in here somewhere. We knew we didn't want to leave the area. And I mean, what a way to cap off my turkey season. Brother Jake, thanks for being with me again. Last year Jake got a nice one. I didn't get one during our season. I hunted and hunted, it just didn't happen, but that is a nice bird. Look at that. The rope on that bugger too. That's all a 10. And look at the hooks on that sucker. He's got some spurs.
Did you bring your scale?
Oh yeah.
We'll have to weigh him.
Oh yeah. My guess is he's probably only 21, 22.
We'll see.
What? I mean, I absolutely put the freaking hammer to him. Look at that.
I want to replay this footage and see, see that we got him on there.
The old HS strut Undertaker. That choke and that shell there, they in range. They're going down. So, oh, folks, sometimes it can be so hard, but if you just stay persistent, you get your chance. And me and Jake were that 1 out of 3 stalks. What did we fail? 2? or one. I don't know.
Just one this year.
One. So my odds have been going in the right direction here, but Jake knows. I mean, I talk about it a lot, but for me to get my birds, especially seems like the first, second, third seasons, halftime, I can't call them. It's not that I'm bad at calling, and it hasn't happened, but nothing like the old spot and stalk and nice big oak timber woods, and got them. I mean, look at that, dude. That's a beautiful bird. So, oh man. Well, folks, I just always want to thank our loyal subscribers and watchers. Always remember, like, share, subscribe, please. It helps us out a ton. So glad Brother Jake could be here with me. He got it on film. Nothing like a spot and stalk in Wisconsin in the timber. So yeah, make sure to check out Instagram. There'll be a lot of pictures on there. But boy, I mean, I am truly blessed. What a nice bird too. We'll get some pictures of his weight too. We're curious to see what he weighs. But what a nice Tom. Big hooks. Thanks for coming along for the journey. It's been a ride. You know what? We'll catch you on the next adventure. We'll see you soon.